Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sin x. So we do first derivative for the both sides. You have du equals to cosx ds. This one we change for u and you will have u square. Cosx ds we change for du. The integration of u square, you will have u to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, and we put about c. So we have u to the power of 3 over 3 plus c. About u, that's about sin x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.